All right, we the women of Aam Aadmi Party, Women's Wing, are very upset with what's happening at Melauli, especially with our women. And so today, Uma, Seema, myself, we've gone ahead and we've met the Women Commissioner Officer. And we have given her a letter stating that we want PI Sagar Ekoskar to be out of his service. Because this is a very sad situation today. Our demand to her is, are we women safe in Goa? If men in the uniform attack us women at a protest site, what action is to be taken? How safe are we? Who do we go to when we are in distress? It is a very sad situation to see the present women of Melauli being attacked, being hit and being stamped on, which is not right. And it is not to be done. It is an unlawful act right now. It is like, when we women want to protest, when we stand for what is right, when we demand, why is the present MLA, why is the present CM not coming down and talking to the people? Who is he hiding? Or where is he hiding? It is a very sad situation today that people of Melauli are fighting. They want answers, and here orders have been given to the police to just take action, go ahead, do the demarcation, come what may, arrest. Is this what's happening in Goa? 60 years of liberation, and this is what we are facing. It is a very sad situation that today the MLA, the present MLA, is not coming down on ground level to even talk to the people. Where is Mr. Rane? Does he have a hold on this land that he is not coming forward to talk? When people, the local women are fighting for their land, they're going no? They're fighting for their land, and is it so difficult for them to come and talk to them? These are protesters. This is not entertainment that is going on in Goa. We all do protest all over Goa. And we know how the police treat us. But this, what has happened in Melauli, where the police officer has stamped over, and that to a male officer. As per the law, there has to be a woman personnel along before he takes the first step. Was that done? Why is there some dictatorship? Why is there no safety for women? How do we women feel safe now in Goa? We have been seeing from 2020 how many arrests have taken place. Till now, we don't have the right to protest. It's our constitutional right to stand for what is right and what we believe and what we want to fight for. How they can take this away from us? How they can treat us like this? And the police are supposed to be meant for the public safety, not for the CM, not to take his orders and just brutally come and stamp over these women. This is a brutal attack. And we want strict action, and we want to see PI out of his duty, especially PI Sagar Ekoskar. We need to see him out of his duty. And at present, I think so, he has been put under sick leave. This is the present situation. They send their goon kind of police force to harass the protesters, and then they are sent on sick leave. Earlier also same thing happened in another place. Where is he right now? Why is there no action taken? Only protesters are supposed to be taken into, it is very disheartening to see what is happening. Trust me. As a Goan, as a local, as a woman, आम्ही जेन्ना प्रोटेस्ट करता आमकां गोंया सांबाळपाक जाय म्हणून आम्ही प्रोटेस्ट करता, एंटरटेनमेंट करूंक न्हू. And to see this present situation that our own protesters being arrested and taken, dadagiri, gundagiri is what's happening. And this is not even, to say democracy looks like it's dying. It's dying because there are some people who are quiet and they don't come out to fight. Is this how we are going to save our Goa? How many people are supposed to come and fight over there? What is our numbers? There are protesters North Goa, South Goa, everywhere. If we people also don't come forward, how are we supposed to fight this kind of battles? And especially for our women, imagine we have to come from here sitting in pension, we are coming forward and fighting, and we want action being taken on the PI. We want him resign from his job, not sick leave, resign. We don't want gundas in the police force. We need respect. We need respect. And if women are not respected, shame on this police force.
हांव आम आदमी पार्टीचे बायलांचे मुखेल मेलावलीन गांवांत जे कितें चल्लां पळय बायलांचेर अत्याचार जाला जाता ताच्या कडेन शब्दान निशेध करता.